This is a quick overview of how to share your pages and databases in Notion with other people. So there are a few options. It's all up here on the top right-hand corner of the Notion screen under Share. The first option is to email and to invite people to share your workspaces and databases and pages. So you would just enter the person's email here and then click invite, and then and you can also search for people here if they're already Notion users, and then they will be sent an email with a link directing them to whatever page or database or workspace you are sharing with them. And the email will look something like this. So it will say action required, someone's invited you to join their Notion thing page, and then they can click on here to view it. So the other options are share to web. So that's the second option. There are a few options under that. So when you turn on or toggle on share to web, all your databases and pages will start not shared to web. So you'll have to toggle it on. You'll get a link. So you just copy this web link, and anyone you share it with can click on it to go into what you've shared with them, the page you've shared with them. So there are options below here. If you are a pro user, so you have a paid Notion account, you have the option of having that link expire on a certain date. You can also choose if the person is allowed to edit or not, if they can comment or not, and if they can duplicate the template or not, meaning they can make a copy of the page or template or database into their own Notion account and use it on their own. And then if, again, you have a pro account, you have the option of turning on search engine indexing. So one thing to note is this, for example, when you're sharing a homepage, like if I'm sharing this to the web and I send someone this link, they're going to get access to this page and all these pages that are within this workspace. So they'll get access to all of that. If you only wanted to share one page, not the whole sort of workspace, you would toggle this off. So you're not sharing this. You don't want to share this page. You only want to share certain pages. You go to that page that you want to share, and then you toggle on sharing from there. So you'll see I turned off sharing on the home page, so it automatically turns it off for all pages nested within that page. And now that I'm on this specific page, I'm going to say, okay, I want to share this page to the web. You would copy this link just to share this page. And then I'll just demonstrate by going back to the main page where all these other pages are nested. If I go to share, this is still turned off. So turning on this share to web will turn on sharing for this page plus all pages nested within. It'll affect the turning it on and off will affect all pages within. If you go to just one specific page, this turning it on here, on and off here, will only affect this page. So just keep that in mind. If you do share, turn on sharing for the main page, it'll turn it on for all the pages nested within. So I hope you found that helpful.